This is Mrs. Reister with your key for your turn number 1, solving these one-step equations. X minus 17 equals negative 60. So using inverse operations, I'm going to add 17 to both sides. So negative 60 plus 17. Well, because I'm adding two integers with different signs, what I'm really going to do is take the difference of their absolute values. So that's subtracting 60 minus 17, which is 43, and then I'm going to apply the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Therefore, my answer is negative 43. And using substitution, I can check this by taking negative 43 minus 17, which does equal negative 60. So I know that I have solved for x correctly. B, we have 4 plus k equals 15. My inverse operation here, because it's a positive 4, the inverse of that is a negative 4, which is like subtracting 4. And I'm going to do that on both sides. 15 minus 4 is 11, so k equals 11. 4 plus 11 does equal 15. Therefore, I know I've solved that correctly. K equals 11. And we've got two more. Negative 95 equals 5t. We know that 5t is 5 times t, and the inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides. And negative 95 divided by a positive 5, I know that results in a negative. 95 divided by 5 is 19, so negative 19 is my solution here. And I can check that again by taking 5 times negative 19, which is negative 95. And lastly, our last equation, 12 equals d divided by negative 3. The inverse of division is multiplication. And I'm going to multiply by negative 3 so that the only thing I'm left with on the right side is my variable d. And then on the left side, I've got negative 3 times 12. Well, a negative times a positive is a negative, and 12 times 3 is 36.